Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to be removing the third row seat in our 2018 Honda Pilot. First step is to remove the seat bottom, and I believe there's two bolts, one here, one on the other side. So we have to remove this plastic cover and remove those two bolts. So I'll start with that first. So here's the plastic piece, it just pulls off. And then we have this bolt, which I think is 10 millimeters. So I have to do this one and the other one on the other side. So here's the first one out. Just put that aside. Now I'll proceed to the other side. With those two bolts removed, it does lift, but there's still something holding it. So I think there's a bolt down there. So I need to take a bolt down. That's in that area between the two seats. I'll do that next. This is the location of the bolt in between the seats. You just have to pull back on the upholstery a little bit. I'm using an extension and still a 10 millimeter bolt. So here's the bolt, same as the others. Now with that third bolt removed, I'll attempt to remove the seat. And it easily comes out. I think there's something hooked over there. Let me go check. It's just the seat belt. It has a little hook. Yes, the seat belt looks like it just has a little elastic thing that hooks onto the seat belt. So I'll just remove that and the seat should come out. Okay, now the seat belts are out of that hook. And the seat should now come out. And it's very light. Now if you ever lost anything in the seats, this would be all you would need to do to find it. In my case, I see I have a hitch pin there, but nothing else was lost that I could see. Now I've placed the bottom third row seat loosely in here. Now I'll just have to pass the seat belts through that elastic loop and then put it into place. And it'll be 3 bolts, one right there and 2 at the bottom in the front. So seats in place. Now I just have to put that bolt right there, and then as I said, the 2 at the bottom. Last thing to do is to put these 2 protective covers. They go in the front of the third row seat at the bottom to cover those 2 bolts that I just put in. So this concludes this video of the removal and the reinstallation of the third row bottom seat in the 2018 Honda Pilot. It's useful. There's only 3 bolts that you have to take out, and it just comes out, and it's very light. So if you ever lose anything back there and you can't reach it, then it's a pretty easy to do to remove that seat. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.